Okay, good evening everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can play YouTube on your Samsung Smart TV. Okay, first of all I will tell you in the we have the two steps of playing YouTube on your Smart TV. First we have the remote control, and then secondly we will play it from the phone. So now to play it from the remote control, you just press this home button and then go to right to the YouTube, and then you can place any video. Example, I play this one, and then it will show you the YouTube video, and then and then we go to the next step by playing through the phone. So now I have my phone. So you need to make sure your phone and your TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi. So you just play any video on your mobile phone through the YouTube app, and then you can see the bottom here. Press here and then you can see your TV name on the case 2. Here is case 2 my Samsung TV, and then you will see I link to the TV, and then you can see the TV is now playing my YouTube video. Okay, and by doing this, all the playing and the sound is come from the TV, so your smartphone will just stand by like this. Okay, thank you everyone for your time watching this short video explaining how you can play YouTube from your TV and from your phone to the TV. And thank you for your time watching this video again, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.